Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Kassi Reyes, Lactation Consultant, IVCLC, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about how to increase your milk supply. The first and most important thing to look at when you are talking about milk supply, about building a supply and protecting a supply, is looking at how regularly are you emptying the milk. So your body works on a system of supply and demand, which means that every time the nipple is stimulated or milk is removed, your body is getting the message to produce more milk. That means that you need to be removing milk at regular intervals, even at night. So if you're concerned about your supply, or if you're thinking that your supply is not quite meeting your baby's needs, the first place to look is at your pumping or feeding schedule and see if there's a place where you can increase a little bit of the frequency or length of your pumping sessions as needed. And if you need help with this, definitely check in with a lactation consultant. If milk isn't being removed at least 8 times a day, so that's about every 3 hours, then your body will start to receive the message to slow down production. So if you go for too long of an interval without removing milk for a regular period of time, your body is likely to slow down production. Okay, number 2 is for all you pumpers out there. So while you're pumping, you can be doing hands-on pumping. And what that means is that you're using your hands to do a little bit of massage, compression, or you can use a lactation massager to massage while you're using a hands-free bra and pumping. And just the act of doing that massage and compression will usually help you pump out more volume. The third thing that I sometimes recommend as a lactation consultant is trying some power pumping. This is a short-term thing that usually I would have someone do for about a week. It is a form of pumping that helps stimulate a little bit extra and do a little bit of extra for about a week to get the body to get that extra stimulation and hopefully up the milk production. I am going to talk about this in a little bit more detail in my next video, so stay tuned if you want more information on power pumping. The fourth thing I want to talk about when we're talking about increasing milk supply is taking supplements. And I want to say this with a word of caution because I feel like a lot of people rush out to take supplements when they're worried about their supply or if they want to increase their supply. Not all supplements are created equally. They don't all work the same. Some have different side effects. So if you're considering taking supplements, please make sure you check in with a lactation consultant or your provider, an OB, midwife, before starting any supplements, just to make sure that you're taking a supplement that is going to be the most effective for you and the safest for you and your baby. If you have any questions about these tips, or if you have other tips that you want to share with the community about what's worked for you for increasing your milk supply, please share in the comments down below. I'm going to put in the description a link for my lactation survival guide for the first few days of lactation to help you new parents out there. And I'm also going to leave a link for where you can try to sign up for free insurance-covered lactation visits virtually with me. As always, thank you so much for being here. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful, and I would love it if you would subscribe down below to the channel and hit the bell so you are updated with all the information on this channel as I post it. All right, guys, thank you so much. Remember, don't quit on your worst day. It does get easier. Take care. Bye.